Hey everyone, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the Senorita. Enjoy the flight. New landing gear on it too. Yeah, it was windy as heck last week and I flew it in the day. Short field takeoff. Look how quick. A lot of wing area. Oh yeah. That's okay. It's hard to miss me because I look like a big yellow bird. How's it fly? Heavy. I mean, it flies really slow and gentle, but it's so, I gotta do a couple of things to it now. I'm having to keep the engine in down mode, and it's constantly wanting to make a right. Yeah, I think the flap situation is not working too well. I'm probably just going to glue those. The guy that built it put flaps in. I don't know what for. It slows down a lot. I'm gonna land. Okay. Sluggish already, huh? Yeah, it's. I want to try and fix this pitching up situation. I got some weights. I didn't put any weights in it, so. Landing! Yeah, it needs some nose weight. Hey guys, hit the thumbs up button and like the video. Catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank.